Hi friends, hello viewers, once again welcome back to Teresa Josephine channel. As usual I used to bring a recipe for you. Today actually I brought the same but here the tips and a little bit unique experiment I've done. My kids loved it and all the kids will be liking it so much, and believe it, make this kind of dosha. Very simple. Name is very old only, but little bit twist I made it. Just check the video if you want this recipe from the beginning to end. You have to watch. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it, share it. Let's start our recipe. I've two kinds of dosha I am going to make it. Crispy paper dosha. One is a masala dosha. In that same batter, how to make? Let's see the batter. How to make a batter. We have to take a 1 cup of rice. Any kinds of rice you can take it. Sona masuri or ration rice or else raw rice, whatever. So you have to use for that urad dal. This gram dal, we have to use black gram dal. Full one also you can use it, or splitted also you can use it. That is up to your use. But 1/4 only we have to use it, not a half. 1 cup of rice and 1/4 of dal we have to use. Then let's see the masala ingredients. For that, what are the things? After grinding, the batter will be for that. Let's grind. For that we have to soak whatever this one. No, actually we have to soak for 3 to 6 hours. After that grinding, how the batter will be. Let's see the batter first. I have done. I'll show to you how the batter after 8 hours, after grinding the batter, after 8 hours the batter consistency is exactly in this way. See, nicely it has became and it has correct. This is the softiness and the nice fluffy, nice crispy you will be getting. This is the thing. And masalas, let's see. 1 cup of onion I've taken, slightly julienne shape also you can. That is up to your shapes, however you're chopping. I've chopped the slice, and I've taken the grated carrot 1 cup, and the basil leaves I've taken. This is the chopped one, and instead of that pudina, all that herbs you can try. I tried and I am going to show to you again. And julienne shape of this omo leaf is there, no? Ajwain leaf. That leaf we have to long we have to chop it. That is julienne shape, we have to chop it. That's it. This is the main. And the masala item we'll see. These are 4 veggies I've taken, and this is a garam masala I've taken, homemade one. It's there in my link, you can check out. And this is the ajwain. I've taken the seeds of ajwain. It's very good, believe it. This looks very unique. What is this masala dosha? It is, and we require the oil little for greasing all that, and we required the chili powder little. Salt already we are using for the batter, not required now for this. And this is the thing. Let's start our process. Let's make the tawa heat, dosha tawa. Then again grease it. Grease it with the oil. After hot, nicely you have to grease the oil so that our dosha will come very yum and crispy. So after that, see, first I am showing the sada dosha to you all. Crispy paper type, it will be very yum. Believe it. You cook for your kids and give these kinds of things. The ladder of in the summer special, vacation special, 1.5 ladder I've taken the batter. See, we are putting itself, the nice soft bubbles are coming. So yum, believe it. All the kids will love so much. So put the oil in between. Just slightly drops of oil is enough. It will be very crispy. Put in the edges. It cooks for 2 minutes. It takes to cook. See, if you put the lid in between, that is a steam dosha, they'll say. When I was small, my aunt used to cook so beautifully. Paper and it is very yummy. Still I remember. I used to share to my kids also. Now I am cooking for my kids. Wherever my aunt, my dad's cousin sister, she cooks very well. I love. Still I remember, and my sister-in-law also used to cook, and she used to go give whenever we used to go for her house. She used to teach many tips also. Geeta, thanks for your tips. Yum, it is cooked. It's so beautiful. I'll show to you. And even my granny also used to cook so much. See, before I touch itself, it is coming off. See, it is flipping. That is the special of this dosha. No need of flipping also actually. It's already in that steam. It will be cooking. So, because it's so crispy, it is. See, it is cooked, and it's so white in color also. See, it's beautiful. This is the sada, and this is a paper type. You can cook and you can give for your kids these kinds of dosha. This is 2 minutes is enough. See, already the edges, everything, it's golden brown has come, and so crispy. It's too hot also. So I'll show in this plate. Believe it, it's too yum. See, I hope so you are able to see. So yum. This is a plain in yum. Crispy dosha, paper dosha. This is the first dosha I made it. And one more I'll show to you once again. Masala dosha, how to cook. Once again, grease it. This is a unique masala dosha. I hope so. You might be not eaten in the shops or hotels. Might be, but I have twisted little bit in my recipe in this masala dosha. Very yum. It's very good for the kids. Digestion purpose, for everything, and taste. Yum. Believe it. Wonderful, super taste it is. When I tried the first time, my hubby was saying, very nice. Where did you learn? Yes. I love the creatives little bit. Not little bit, much. I always innovate new recipes. Not only the recipes, the crafts, everything, lots of things I do. So yum. Make it. Yes. Sprinkle. Like a capsicum it looks, and it becomes so soft. Put the basil leaf in between. Little is enough, because the kids doesn't like much. They'll take out again. If it is little, they love it. Oh, what's this? Mama is put in a special something new. They love it. And press it little bit, and put a oil. Slightly put a oil. See, masalas also I'm using little only. So, the ajwain, use the ajwain in between. Garam masalas, use the garam masala. And chili powder, slightly you have to use it. Just 1/4 of chili powder. That's enough. and little bit oil, edges. It's cooking. See, if you want to steam also, you can steam it. This will be very steam. Also, just you have to close the lid. Otherwise, just slightly you have to put like this, and after a few minutes, do like this. It makes the batter. Already it is cooked, so it should be flat. This is my own creative. So just for the kids, yum. It looks like a uttapam, appam, similar to the set dosa, but it is the taste yum. It will be for this coconut chutney is yum. Believe it, for this sada dosa and this dosa. Coconut chutney is very yum. It looks. See, it's very yum. Believe it. This is very good and cold also. Seasonal fever, anything you won't get. Believe it. Trust it. Do for your kids and give these kinds of things. Just let it little bit it cooks. Then let's see the after that let's remove in a plate. I'll show to you how much tasty it will be in the coconut chutney all. Take a coconut chutney like this. Serve it. So yesterday I have made the coconut chutney to you. Today also, like, I made the liquid type. The same recipe. You have to use the water little bit. I told you. The kids also, they love it. Believe it, herbs are very good for health. Try this herbs, chutney and this dosa, crispy and yum. And this is the masala dosa, is very yum. According to the kids, this masala is enough. If you want to spread more masala, you can spread, and you can use the aloo, whatever. This is for the kids. I made it. I just done for the kids.